Hey everybody, it's Dr. Gorman. I wanted to talk about a common misconception that comes up a lot in our office. And when we do functional medicine testing and we speak with people, we explain this, but it really needs to be reiterated. And I wanted to show an example today. Part of that is we have a tendency in our society to associate pills or capsules with medications, right? So many of us start to go, I'm already taking a bunch of stuff. I don't want to be on more pills. I don't want to be on more capsules, right? But we will use the word pill, right? And one of the things, the distinctions of, and we have other videos about how we do testing and why we do testing and how we come up with all the different specific recommendations that we do. But today I just want to show an example of when we take, whether it's a custom pack or we have general packs through our supplement company. This pack right here, this is my custom pack. I can do one of these a day, two of these a day, three of these a day. I don't know of a company that allows a doctor to do that specific of a custom pack, because I can put anywhere between 5 and 8 capsules in here. Very specific, makes it super convenient, okay? But when it comes to me, I'm about to eat lunch. And so here I am, I open this and there's all these capsules in here, which again are organic food. This company is 100% concentrated organic food. Now, there's all kinds of other stuff we can get into, which I'm not going to get into in this video, about why it's so important, because the soil's depleted and the food has toxins and the food supply is so bad and all these different things that deplete us of vitamins, minerals, and the raw materials that we need that were not around 20, 30, 40 years ago. So it's not a question anymore if we need supplements. We absolutely need them more than ever, but they've got to be high quality and food based. So let me just give you an example, because if I'm sitting here and somebody goes, "Doc, that's a lot of pills," I go, no. Every one of these is actually organic food, and it's concentrated organic food. And so why is that important? Because I'm just trying to give you a little bit of a vision here of like, look, if I was to put this, whether I put it on a spoon, I'm obviously not going to just eat it off the spoon, but I'm trying to give you a visual, right? If this is truly, which it is, concentrated organic food, then on a plate here, as we're doing this, you would never look at this and go, oh my gosh, that's way too much food. I'm not going to eat that, right? And so we have this whole idea, this concept that, oh my gosh, that's way too many capsules, Doc. You got to do less. Because again, we associate pills with medications. Now, I'm going to give you another quick side note. It would be good to start challenging the amount of pills or medications that you're on, because they all have side effects. Matter of fact, you may not know this, every medication depletes specific vitamins, minerals, and other raw materials. So, and most of them you can find that, either online or, with the information. And so as we just give you an example here, this is almost all the pills here. Now, again, I'm not going to eat this. I'm not suggesting that, although you could certainly put that in a shake or do something, and some people do. Why I'm doing this is, look, nobody would go, oh my gosh, this is all organic food. Nobody would go, ooh, that's a lot. That's too much for me. It's just that it's so concentrated. They have amazing technology to actually take organic food and put it here. So I wanted to give you a visual, because when I say to somebody who's eating, whatever you're eating, we may have some protein here, so I'm about to eat my salad for lunch, and then we're going to take this, and they go, no, that's a lot of pills. We're using concentrated food supplements with blood work, with all this other testing, to get specific, figure out exactly what you need and give it to you. And the great thing is we can do it conveniently, whether we test or there's other packs that come this way. But we can do that, put it in, and then your body's getting it in a form that's bioavailable and easy to digest, easy to assimilate. And that's why we get such great results with it. We're changing blood work, getting all these miracles. So for more information on how we do some of this, check out some of our videos, check out our website at gorman-health.com.